Sesame seeds, small but mighty, have been used for centuries in various cultures for their numerous health benefits. These tiny seeds are packed with essential nutrients that can help improve overall health and well-being when consumed regularly. From improving heart health to promoting healthy skin, sesame seeds are truly a superfood that should be incorporated into your daily diet. One of the most notable benefits of sesame seeds is their high content of antioxidants. These antioxidants help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. By consuming sesame seeds regularly, you can help boost your body's defense against these harmful free radicals and reduce your risk of developing these serious health conditions. In addition to their antioxidant properties, sesame seeds are also a great source of healthy fats, particularly omega-6 fatty acids. These fats are essential for brain function, hormone production, and overall cell health. By including sesame seeds in your daily diet, you can help support these vital functions and improve your overall cognitive health. Sesame seeds are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and iron. Calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth, while magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle function and energy production. Iron is important for red blood cell production and oxygen transport throughout the body. By consuming sesame seeds regularly, you can help ensure that your body is getting the necessary nutrients it needs to function optimally. Another benefit of sesame seeds is their potential to improve heart health. Studies have shown that sesame seeds may help lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation in the body, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. By incorporating sesame seeds into your daily diet, you can help support a healthy heart and reduce your risk of developing cardiovascular issues. Sesame seeds are also known for their skin-boosting properties. The high levels of zinc and vitamin E found in sesame seeds can help promote healthy skin by reducing inflammation, preventing acne, and improving overall skin tone and texture. By consuming sesame seeds regularly, you can help achieve clear, glowing skin from the inside out. In addition to their health benefits, sesame seeds are also incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily meals. You can sprinkle them on top of salads, stir-fries, or yogurt, or use them to make homemade tahini or sesame seed butter. You can also add them to baked goods such as bread, muffins, or cookies for a nutritious boost of flavor and texture. When choosing sesame seeds, opt for unhulled seeds, as they contain more nutrients than hulled seeds. You can find sesame seeds in most grocery stores or health food stores, either in the bulk section or pre-packaged. Store your sesame seeds in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to preserve their freshness and flavor. In conclusion, sesame seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients that can help improve overall health and well-being when consumed regularly. From their antioxidant properties to their heart-healthy benefits, sesame seeds are a superfood that should not be overlooked. By incorporating sesame seeds into your daily diet, you can help support your body's vital functions and enjoy the numerous health benefits that these tiny seeds have to offer. So go ahead, sprinkle some sesame seeds on your next meal and reap the rewards of this nutrient-dense superfood.